Hello and welcome to SMA. This short video will explain how you, as an installer, can initiate an SMA Product Registration on behalf of the PV system. Yes, you as an installer can initiate the process, but due to privacy legislation, the owner of the PV system needs to approve the registration. We will explain later in this video how the owner can do this. To start the registration process, you need to use your My SMA account, which is the same as your account for the SMA Online Service Centre. If you don't have a My SMA account, please create one with the help of our tutorial. Let's get started. After you've logged on to your My SMA account and clicked on the Product Registration tab, select the country of installation from the drop-down list. Then click on Next. Now you need to select the first option, as your customer is the owner of the PV system. If you as an installer or your company is the owner of the PV system, you need to select the second option. Click on Next. Now you need to fill in several details. The first thing to do is name the PV system. Please use the name you agreed on with the owner or check with them. It could be Main House, for example, or in the case of a commercial installation, the building number. Then fill in the location details for the PV system and the contact details for the owner. It is very important to fill in the email address of the owner, as only an owner account will be able to approve the registration. Do not use your own email address or another one of your company. This will block the whole registration process. Remember, if you as the installer are the owner, you should have selected the other option on the previous screen. Don't forget to tick the box indicating the PV system owner's consent to having you initiate their SMA product registration. The basic system profile is now complete. Please check the data one more time, as changes cannot be made afterwards. You're just 2 steps away from finalizing the product registration. So let's click on Next. Click again on Next to go to the next step to add the devices to the PV system. On the left, you can see the general information you just saved. On the right, please enter the SMA product serial number and commissioning date. Please note, if you're registering an SMA home inverter, the PV system owner may be eligible for a free 5-year factory warranty add-on, which will be automatically applied. If you don't remember our conditions, please check our website. In case your customer purchased an SMA Extended Warranty, you can enter the corresponding activation code right here. Now click on Next. Green signs will indicate what has been approved concerning the warranty of the device. If you want to register a product for this same PV plant, you can do it now by ticking the corresponding box. Click on Next to continue. If you don't need to add another device to the same PV system, select Complete the product registration by ticking the corresponding box. Click on Next to finish the process. Now click on Finish to complete the process. You will receive an email as confirmation that you have registered the devices for your customer. An email will now be sent to the PV system owner, who will need to review the data and give their final approval for the registration. This is necessary to comply with privacy legislation. Your customer has 3 weeks to do this, otherwise the data will be deleted from our systems. Your customer will receive an email with the information that a registration was initiated by its installer and the request to approve this registration. The first step your customer needs to do is click on the link in the email. First, your customer needs to create a My SMA account. It is very important that your customer creates the My SMA account with the same email address to which the invitation email was sent. After confirming his or her account, the customer can log in to their My SMA. A pop-up will appear and the customer needs to click on Go to Check. Under the Check tab, your customer will see the pending approvals. They need to choose their PV system and then click on Next. On the next page, the owner gets an overview of the information provided by their installer. If they accept, they need to mark the box next to Yes and click on Next. The approved PV system and already registered products can now be seen in the menu, My PV Systems or My Products from the navigation bar. The PV system owner will receive 2 emails for every registered product in the PV system. One email will arrive immediately. It is a confirmation of the registration of the product. The second email will come within 24 hours. This will be the information that the warranty data for the registered product has been updated. Via a link in the email, the owner can go back to the product registration and see their registered products. Together with the owner, you as installer will also receive the second email about the warranty data update. The email will confirm that the PV system owner has approved everything. You can also check this by going with your My SMA account to the Product Registration tab. There you can review all registered products. We hope this tutorial was helpful. From all of us at SMA, thank you for your trust.